In this video, we're diving into the vibrant world of superfoods that can help in the fight against breast cancer. Let's explore some delicious and nutritious options that can boost your health and well-being. First on our list are berries. These small fruits are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, essential for fighting off free radicals and maintaining healthy cells. Their sweet taste makes them an easy and enjoyable addition to your diet. Next up is the pomegranate. Known for its high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, the pomegranate acts like a natural shield for your body. You can sip on pomegranate juice or sprinkle the seeds into your salads for a flavorful health boost. Broccoli is another fantastic choice. This vegetable is rich in fiber and compounds that aid in detoxification, potentially lowering the risk of breast cancer. It's incredibly versatile. Whether you stir-fry, steam, or include it in various dishes, broccoli is a great addition to your meals. Don't forget about olive oil. Full of healthy fats and antioxidants, it supports your immune system and reduces inflammation. Replacing your regular cooking oils with extra virgin olive oil can enhance your health while adding a touch of flavor to your dishes. Lastly, green tea deserves a mention. With its high concentration of polyphenol, green tea helps to boost your health and keep your cells in check. Enjoying a cup daily is a refreshing way to benefit from its cancer-fighting properties. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can be a delicious step towards better health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.